Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the ramps with s- railings. It's very easy process. First, we need to draw a ramp for my plan. For my plan, I'm going to draw this one ramp for going from my second first floor to second floor. Okay, let's do it. First, I'll go to the floor, then select the floor architecture. Then I'll go to the boundary and I'll define it. Okay, for this I want to select this one. My ramp will stay on 6 to 13. I think this position in this will stay here, and for my suitable region I'll should to be I'll consider still fine like this. It should be fine. Okay, for this, and then I will go to offset for another row, and that will be like this. It is like this. Let me check the first floor. Explore. Then I will increase the this one. It's fine. Is and increase it. So seven slope. I need to increase this one to here. This to mm, uh, uh. Okay. Then I need to increase the boundary. This line. Oh, little much. This line. Okay. This line is gone little far. Let's bring this one to yeah. It's fine. Then I'll close this boundary also. Oh, it's gone. I'll increase the 270. I'll make 220. Oh, it's gone too much. I'll make 218. It's fine. It will stay here. Then I will draw from here to here like this. All boundary increase. Now we'll go to here. This is my slab. If I go to 3D, this is this is my slab. Yeah. Now I'm going to the first floor. Then I'm going to modify it. Sorry, this one modify sub element into add three split point. I will add three split point. I will put here one is I have slope something yes 300. I'll split one line here. Then I will split another line of going down this here. Okay. Then let us design. Let us it is really 0 degree. Yeah. Then it will be I'll put it minus something 300. Okay, 300 I'll put it. Then I'll put it. It is L minus 2500 and I'll put it minus 0. It is 3000 or something. I'll put it minus 100 degree. Let's see it and let's see in 3D. Checked. Oh, it's this point. What happened to my phone? It's like my rope is not split correctly. What I put here? This is 0 degree. Let's see in the 3. Yeah, it's fine. And what is this minus? I'll put it. This is minus. This is minus 2900 degree. Yeah. Synthesize in 3D. Yeah. something overlapping. This is my ramp. And getting this one, I will delete this beam. Might need a little down, but I'm fine with this one. This is my how I draw the ramp. Now I'm going to show how to draw the railing for it. Go to first, then go to the side. On this side, I'm going to just this side. Then go to the railing and select peak width new host. Okay, this one is the host, and then select this arch by this one. We're keeping this one too. Okay, something here. Okay, it's fine. Try to overlap the drawing. I have overlapped it, and offset is 0.1. And then it's in this side. Oh, sorry, side, and then finished. But it then put again railing, and go to architecture, railing, pick newest. This one, yeah, this one, then this for this one, and select this. Oh, sorry, pick pointer. Select this one or 0.1. We can write this one and finish. Yeah. Let's see the 3D. Oh, sorry, it's not done. This one is not done. Oh, sorry, I need to repeat again the process. Oh, what happened to it? It's not going correctly. Oh, see. Mm-mm-mm. Not going correctly. See 3D. Oh, it's done. It's not done. It's actually not done. Let's check it. Site. Okay, go to first floor and to go site. Check it. Let's check drawing railing. Go to peak host. This one the peak host and select line. We're going from. I'll select this one too. Select okay. Peak point. Peak point. This one 0.1. Okay. Types this done. Like to put this one. Go to 3D. Let's see. Yeah, now it's done. It's done. Yeah. Now it's done. Something mistake is done. I think so. Now go to next point. Select the railings and to the peak points. To this one and keep it to 100 and finished it. Correct. Let's see what is done. Oh, it's like same problem. For this problem, we need to draw the line. Okay, first with the side. This and this 2 point. Okay, architecture, railing, and we pick new host. This one is host, and we need to draw it. I think like it is here and like here. Let's try it. Yeah, it's done. Opacity 0.1 like that. Oh, what happened? This one. 3D. What happened? Oh no. Something has happened. It's not. It's not the solution. What happened? Let's do it. Control Z. Eh, going this one and this one. Okay. Like this. Um, it's not done. Let's give new one. Railing. Now sketch path. Pick newest. This one is our host. Then okay, this one. No. This one the path. Offset is by 0.1 meter. Then lock it. Yeah, now it's done. I've done some mistake. Now it's done perfectly. This is where I create my ramp easy way. Thank you for watching.